Hey, thank you for checking out my video. This is a service call that I did out on Los Coches Road. I've been in contact with the owner of this mobile home for a couple of days, and he said he had a code 5 or a 5 fault or a 5 flash. So we were able to schedule an appointment, and I'm coming out and taking a look at it and seeing what's going on. Really appreciate you checking out this video, watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great day. I'm glad I read the thing SEG&E gave me about the So I'm able to get the water heater lit. The owner said that he wasn't able to get the water heater to come on at all, but I was able to get it lit up. And it was not flashing 5 times, but he had reported that to me. So I knew pretty much I was going to end up replacing the valve pretty much completely. I just want to apologize for the poor audio. You can see it's lit right there in this video. This was prior to the repairs that I have done on my GoPro case, which has increased the audio about 100%. So these are some older videos that I filmed, and I'm just getting around to posting them up. So this is probably from about, I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks ago from today's date, which is the 21st of December. So that's a pretty good shot. Here's the well sensor coming out. That's a pretty good shot of the well sensor. There was just a little bit of water. It's really hard to see on the camera. I kind of try to show you here, but there's just a little faint bit of water on there, and that's probably what was causing the sensor to malfunction. So I'm just using a starter valve here to break it loose from the water heater. And I've already shut off the water to the water heater and released the pressure inside the house. At the kitchen sink, you just open the hot water to break the pressure that's in the line. And then obviously you shut the water off to the water heater so no more water comes in. And then when you remove the valve, only as much water can come out as air can go in. So that buys you a little bit of time to unscrew the valve and screw the new one in. You just want to make sure it's straight or square when you screw it back in so it's not cross-threaded. So I was able to get the valve out. You can see here it has no metal cap on it, and it's somewhat deteriorated. It's hard to tell in this light. Of course, it's at night, um, but it's definitely not any good. And we will be replacing this one with one that's got metal on it. You can see it right there, so that's a little more protected. Okay, well, this completes the replacement. I had to basically replace the well housing because it was leaking and it was shorting out the thermistor, which is the temperature sensor, which causes the code 5 or the 5 faults or the error code 5. So that's been replaced. And I think I showed you in the video that I put a well housing in that's got a metal tip on the end. I actually got quite a few service calls lately for code 5s. I think I've done 3 or 4 in the last probably 10 days. So I have a few videos on this, but I appreciate you watching, just explaining to the owner right now what was going on with the water heater. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like videos like this. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Oh, I also wanted to say if you have any questions at all about this procedure or any of my other videos, please feel free to leave a comment. And I also have a community section where I answer questions there. So thanks again for watching, and consider subscribing. Have a great one.